Davis was initially charged with plotting the assassination of President Abraham Lincoln, treason, and the mistreatment of prisoners of war. The first charge against Jefferson was the charge of having been involved in planning the assassination of President Abraham Lincoln. There was no documentation to prove this, and the charge lacked merit. In addition, few witnesses that did step forward produced conflicting testimony. The second charge was that the government was going to charge him with treason. And it would have been problematic for the United States to indict him on that. If Jefferson could be charged with treason, tried, and found guilty, what of all the other political and military authorities of the Confederacy? The third charge was mistreatment of Union prisoners. However, that lacked strong evidence. In fact, the evidence typically indicated the opposite. Davis tried to ease the discomfort of the prisoners of war by encouraging prisoner exchanges and better living conditions.